Hi, everybody. I'm here at the NPE 2024, the largest plastic industry event in all of North America. What an incredible event it has been. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to connect with industry leaders and witness the latest innovations in plastic manufacturing industry. One thing that I've noticed while networking at the event is the importance of keeping your LinkedIn profile updated. Whether you're actively looking for jobs or not, having an updated profile can make a huge difference in your professional life. As a plastic industry recruiter with over 30 years experience, I can tell you that many companies use LinkedIn to find and vet potential candidates. So take a few minutes to update your profile with your latest skills, experiences, recommendations, and accomplishments. You never know what opportunities might come your way. If you need any help optimizing your LinkedIn profile or want advice on how to make it stand out to potential employers, feel free to reach out to me. Let's make sure you're putting your best foot forward in the industry. Thanks again for an amazing experience at the people at NPE 2024 and all the networking and connections I've made there. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.